Hey guys, welcome back. It's Groovy Tony. Smash like, smash subscribe, ring that bell and comment below because I'm here for your entertainment. We just got another package from Best Buy and I'm pretty sure it is the Hue lights, the little ambient lights that I ordered. So let's open this up and check it out. Another little weird thing with UPS, I don't know, like look, it looks like they already tried to open it. Like why? What's happening here? It's kind of crazy. But it is what it is. Let's hope the package is good though. Oh yeah. Baby. Pow. Ooh, yes, it is the Hue lights. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, look at this. Oh, these are going to be little beauties. There's two of these in here, the starter kit and the little controller. And I get to change the light and change the little ambient setting. Ooh, let's open this up and see. Now this is a freshly sealed box. Ish. Oops, sorry, I don't want to make you angry, whatever's in here. Oh, that's the home, the little piece. Oh, the lights are actually super cute. Oh, they're smaller than I thought. I'm excited for this. Okay. I thought they were going to be these big old ones. The way they look behind the computer. Oh, that's what's in the box. So this time I got the Philips Hue Cinema Starter Kit. Ambient lighting, synchronizes with your games, your music, whatever you wish, and you can control it with your iPhone. Fantastic! Oh, I can't wait to get it ready and get it set up. Let's see what comes in this box. Of course, instructions. Perfect. And the lights themselves, they're so cute. Look at them. I really enjoy these lights. They're so cute. I wonder where they're gonna plug into. Yes. So the starter kit has two lights. It looks like we're also going to be getting stands. Hold them upright if I put them on the floor, which I do plan to. So here's our stand and other piece. Oh, the little plug is so cute. Oh, because you just plug it into this. Oh, that's fun. Then you just, hey, I like that. Okay. That's empty. And then of course you have the home hub, whatever you want to call it, but it's going to connect to my Apple Home, so I call it home, but it's our little hub device from Philips. I like this. I think this is fun. I have a phone. What are we doing? I like that, that's how these plugs are. I don't know. I think that's fun. It's so weird. Although I feel like they take up a lot of space. Like, this should be, whatever. I'm not gonna get in there. Let's see how we set this up later. Wow! Okay. So let's get this started. Set up your hardware. Let's pop this bad boy on here. Screw it in. And it doesn't feel comfortable. But it is what it is. So this is easy. That's why I'm giving you tools. Just these tiny little screws. And these plates, if you want to stick them behind the television, which might be like a future little thing I do, but not right now. There you go. And I feel like they only give you enough to like choose. I feel like the tools you have also for the future. So, and I've said this with a lot of other building videos for like unboxing and assembly. Keep your tools. Always keep your tools. Because you never know when you're gonna need them. Always keep your tools. So if you just screw this in and then you plug it in with the box provided, which has multiple jacks at the bottom so you can put in multiple lights, and then you connect your bridge and it should just work. Yeah, that's crazy. Now, I'm going to have to leave the room for this one because this connects to your router. Alright, so it says I'm going to need to download the Hue app now that my little bridge is connected to my router. Hue. Let's open a new Hue app. Yes, okay. It's going to search for the Hue bridge. I have to go press the button, I'll be back. Alright, so now it is installing an update for the bridge and the lights. Looks like the update is done. I agree to the terms and conditions of enable. So it looks like everything's up and running. So I should be able to change the colors. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm liking this already. Yeah, this is fun. Here for it. Might even have them laying down facing upward. Who knows? This is what it's all about. So if I go in, I can change them then individually, right? This is phenomenal. I love it. It is set up. Let me go to home. See, because for some reason, the bedroom is now set up. All right, there goes the home pod. Is she awake? Are you awake? Just making sure so the whole room is set. There we go. I love this. Okay, y'all, that was easy. I have it in the home app set up, ready to go. I love this. And I can control it in the Hue app as well. I can control the colors. This is fantastic. These are really gonna help set the mood and the ambient light. So you already know we're gonna be litty. Setting up, all right, getting the hues, setting it up, assembling it. Super easy. Just annoying to go back, tap it, and then, you know, but whatever. It was super easy to set up. And this looks really great. I'm excited to start using this for videos, y'all. Alright, guys, so I love this. I think it's fantastic. And I think it's gonna stick out more when the lights, the ring lights are off or a little bit lower. Actually, let's test it out. So now we're set up with the Hue lights. We got the new ring lights, we got the Hue lights. We're ready to go. We're gonna start making new reaction videos, more gaming videos, so much more fun content. And I can't wait to start going live again, y'all. Thank you for checking that out with me. Thank you for unboxing it and setting it up with me. Make sure you check out some more unboxing videos and some more amazing videos. Smash like, smash subscribe, ring that bell, and comment below, y'all.